NASA is at the forefront of space exploration. Yearly they make hundreds of discoveries, each one helping us learn more about the universe that we live in. However, every so often a mysterious anomaly will be discovered. This is what happened recently, and it caused various theories and questions to be put forward. One of the most recent ones came from a Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory camera. It was picked up by amateur astronomers and they described it as a UFO. Some even went as far as suggesting that this anomaly was an Ezekiel wheel. These come from the Book of Ezekiel. Over the years, many have come forward and said that Ezekiel's vision could have been proof of UFOs in the Bible, further saying that these mysterious crafts have been witnessed on our planet for thousands of years. They point to various illustrations that have been made that also feature these unidentified flying objects. Some have appeared in ancient paintings, while others have been found in ancient caves. These are usually explained by researchers as being pareidolia, and that what we're seeing is something that isn't a UFO. However, some don't agree with this explanation, and suggest that there's something else at play. Those that have seen the NASA images do agree that it shows what appears to be a massive wheel-like object. Interestingly, it could also be seen rotating and ejecting some kind of matter. Many UFO researchers were excited by the images, as they said that it was solid proof that something massive was lurking in our solar system. Some then said that NASA will most likely ignore these claims and try to brush them under the carpet. However, NASA did in fact respond, and they said the following. Some people have noticed an odd shape, sort of a cross inside a circle entering the field of view of one of the HI2 telescopes on stereo. This was around the 20th of February 2020. Eventually there is a cone shape that appears next to it. You can see the feature in question in this movie moving from right to left, just below on the right side of the image. The answer lies on the exact opposite side of the image. At the same time as this strange looking feature starts to be visible, the very bright planet Venus enters the field of view from the left. Notice that Venus and the feature stay in step almost exactly opposite each other across the middle of the detector. This is not a coincidence. The strange looking geometrical object is actually an internal reflection of the planet Venus within the telescope's optics. This effect has been seen many times before. We've also received some questions about why the images from the most recent few days are of lower quality, and are sometimes incomplete. This is because our data comes in two streams that are highly compressed and lower quality, but fast-spaced weather beacon data, which are replaced after a few days with better science quality images. Some have pointed out how it's interesting that NASA came forward and answered these questions. Usually when these strange looking objects appear in streams and videos they don't get answered, but for some reason they felt the need to come forward and give an answer for this one. So what do you make of this mysterious object that was recently observed? And do you agree with NASA's explanation? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.